Weight loss, myths debunked. What really works? Losing weight is a journey that's often shrouded in myths and misconceptions. From fad diets to quick fixes, it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But what really works? Let's debunk some common weight loss myths and get down to the facts. Myth number 1. Low-fat diets are the best for weight loss. Reality. While low-fat diets may have been popular in the past, research shows that they're not the most effective for weight loss. In fact, healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil are essential for keeping you full and satisfied. Myth number 2. Crash diets lead to quick and sustainable weight loss. Reality. Crash diets may help you lose weight quickly, but they're often unsustainable and can lead to nutrient deficiencies. A slow and steady approach to weight loss is always the best. Myth number 3. Exercise alone can help you lose weight. Reality. While exercise is crucial for overall health, it alone can't lead to weight loss. A combination of healthy eating habits and regular exercise is the key to success. Myth number 4. Weight loss supplements are a magic bullet. Reality. Sorry, folks. There's no magic bullet for weight loss. Supplements may help, but they're not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle. Myth number 5. You need to cut out carbs completely to lose weight. Reality, carbs get a bad rap, but they're not the enemy. Whole, unprocessed carbs like whole grains, fruits, and veggies are essential for a balanced diet. So, what really works? Here are the facts. Eat a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, veggies, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated and limit processed foods and added sugars. Exercise regularly, aiming for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. Get enough sleep, 7 to 9 hours per night, to support weight regulation. Manage stress levels through mindfulness, meditation, or yoga. Remember, weight loss is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to make sustainable lifestyle changes. Ditch the myths and focus on what really works. Your body and mind will thank you.